Dear students, in this class we are going to see unit 1 lattice multiplication 22 into 25. So we have to put like this square box and divide the box into 4 equal halves. Then you put slanting lines like this. So now you write it 22 up, so 25 into right side, 2, 5, 25. Now so 2 2s are 4, 0 right here and 4 right down. 2 2s are 4 again. So write 0 up, 4 down. Now 22 into 4 part is over. Now 5 is going to multiply with 22. 5 2s are 10. So 1 you have to write up, 0 write down. 5 2s are 10. Again 5 2s are 10. So write it 1 up, 0 down. So now multiplication part is over. Now after the multiplication we are going to adding the answers now. See only this straight. Answer is what? 0. Now take this straight. What is there? 0, 1, 4. So add 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 4, 5. So 5 write it here. Next, this straight we have to see 1, 4, 0. This 3 only straight line is there now. So you have to add 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 0, 5 only. And last one, this box, 0 only. So you have to write, puts like line like this, write 0, 5, 5, this 5 here and 0. Answer is 22 into 25, 550. The second one, lattice multiplication 34 into 51. We have to put like this same box, like this square box, divide the box into 4 equal halves, then put slanting lines like this, divide the box like this. Now 3 4 34 you have to write it top of the side, and 5 151 right side you have to write. 5 4s are 20, so 2 write up, 0 write down. 5 3s are 15, so 1 you write up, 5 write it down. 5 3s are 15. 34 into 5 is over. Now 1 4s are 4, so write 0 up, 4 down. 1 3s are 3, so write 0 up, 3 down. Now add all the answers. Now take only this box, 4 only is coming here. Now take this straight line, 3 plus 0, 3, again 3 plus 0, 3 only. Now take this straight line, 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So write it 7 here. Next one, last one, what is there? Only 1 only is there. So our answer is 1734, 1734. So 34 into 51 is 1734. Now the third one, lattice multiplication 45 into 24. So I know how to put the box like this. Now divide the box like this again. 45, 24 right like this. 5 2s are 10, 1 up, 0 down. 2 4s are 8, 0, 8. Now 4 5s are 20, so 2 write it up, 0 write it down. 4 4s are 16, 1 write up, 6 write down. Now answer is multiplication part is over. Now we are going to add the answers. Only take this part, 0 is coming. 6 plus 2, take this straight. 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 0, 8 only. Now 1 plus 8, this straight. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So 10 is coming. Write 0, 1's place 0 here and carry 1 over next digit place. 0 plus 1, 1 only. So answer is 1080. So 45 into 24 is 1080, 1080 only. Now numbers operation in daily life situations. For example 1, if the cost of 1 eraser is 4 rupees, what will be the cost of 2 erasers? 2 eraser into 1 eraser rate. So 2 4s are 8. Answer is 8 rupees. If there are 6 eggs in a box, how many eggs will be there in 5 boxes? So number of boxes 5, number of eggs 6. So 5 box into 6 eggs. 5 6 are 30 eggs. If the exercise now, if there are 4 toys in a box, how many toys will be there in 9 boxes? So number of boxes 9. So 9 into 4 toys. So now total number of toys equal to 9 box into 4 toys. 9 into 4, 9 4s are, what is 9 4s are 36. So 36 toys. Now if there are 3 color pencils in a packet, how many pencils will be there in 9 packets? So total number of packets equal to 9. Number of color pencils in each packet 3. So total number of color pencils equal to number of packets 9 into 3 color pencils in each packet. So 9 3s are 27. So total number of pencils is 27 pencils. Now write multiplication factor for the following products. So 24 is the answer. Where any number you are multiplying with any two number mean we will get the answer 24. What is the two numbers? 2 12s are 24. Next 4 6 are 24. Next 6 4s are 24. 8 3s are 24. 3 8s are 24. Like this we have to find out. Like this 45, how we will get any two numbers? Tell me now. 3 15s are 45. 15 3s are 45. 5 9s are 45. 9 5s are 45. Like this. And 36, how it will come? 2 18s are 36. 3 12s are 36. 4 9s are 36. 6 6 are 36. 9 4s are 36. And 16, how it will come? 2 8s are 16. 8 2s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 1 6 are 16. 16 1s are 16. Thank you, children.